You know exactly what's holding you back. It's not the world. It's not the people around you. It's the voice inside your head that says, take it easy. You've done enough. You deserve a break. That voice is your weakness. And the longer you listen to it, the smaller you become. So stop feeding it. Stop protecting it. It's time to kill it, once and for all. If that hits you, stay right here. Because this message will either break you or rebuild you. Weakness doesn't leave your body when you wish it away. It leaves when you suffer. When you do the things you don't want to do. When you keep pushing after your body and mind scream, enough. Most men today are soft. Not because they lack strength, but because they protect their comfort like it's sacred. They've built their entire life around avoiding pain, and then wonder why they feel empty, lost, and powerless. Let me tell you something. You can't build power without pain. You can't build respect without discipline. You can't build confidence by hiding from discomfort. You say you want to be strong? Then prove it when no one's watching, when it's dark, when you're tired, when you feel like quitting. That's when strength is forged, not in moments of hype, but in silence, sweat, and sacrifice. If you've ever looked in the mirror and hated what you saw, if you've ever promised yourself you'd change and didn't, if you've ever felt disgusted by your own excuses, then this message is for you. Because I've been there. You've been there. We all have. But not everyone climbs out. Most stay stuck, trapped in the same mental cage, day after day. So prove to yourself you are different. Not by words, by action. Every rep, every early morning, every time you do what you hate, you're killing your weakness. You're starving that soft, lazy version of yourself until there's nothing left but discipline and fire. That's how you evolve. That's how you earn respect from yourself first. If you're ready to stop being average, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below one weakness you're killing this month. Let's do this together. No mercy.